Good evening, everyone. This is Mayank Janji here, and today we have seen something which was unexpected. Well, it was initially market moved up, as expected actually, and then after being a high of 250, 2425 in the morning, it started to slip again, and at one point of time, it was as flat as it can be, and from there, it immediately make a spiral upwards. It happened when the news started to come, from Axios. The first it was coming came in Axios, which stated that US and Iran are almost reaching an agreement, which will be a one-page agreement with 14 points, and that will ensure that Strait of Hormuz would be cleared, and then the shipping route will be opened. With this news, the market all over across the world equity market started to went up, and we finally closed the day at 24339. Why this level is crucial, as explained in the morning video, that basically we have been making lower highs every time. So lower high means that we made a high of around 26,000 on 11 February 26. Then we dipped and we made the new again. The next high was lower than the previous high, and it was around 24600. When we plot this particular lower highs trending line, we see that it eventually comes to this level of 24300, and that's why we spoke in the morning that 24300 B is important when it comes to the closure of the market, or maybe if it has to sustain above that. So it broke that level and closed at 24330. Now it just need a little more confirmation tomorrow morning. If for 1 hour in the morning, if you're able to sustain above this level of 24,300, in my view, can trigger a sharp rally towards 24600. And you never know if really this agreement news come into picture, and probably will finally break this level of, this band of 24,600, 24,100, and we may make another attempt towards 25,000. So this is how the setup right now is, but we have to think, what if it doesn't happen this way? In that case, my view is that we have to look at the levels of lower part of this band, which is at 24,100. If the market really starts to slip because something is fishy, that's not going to happen this way, then we will basically start, you know, start to track this level of 24,100. If 24100 has been taken out for any reason XYZ on the downside, then we can say that yes, it may then go and attempt the lows of 23,800. So we'll open the 300 point window for the markets to go down. And if 23,800 is also taken out, in my view, then 23,113 is the level to look out for. This is the hourly chart. Let's see any change which may come in daily chart. On daily chart, still we are waiting for the level of 24,600 to break the upside if it happens, or 23,500 on the downside to break. If something of this happens, then I think it will trigger some kind of rally on the daily chart, which is like an intermediate term. On the weekly chart, again, we are waiting for the week to close above 24825. Until that happens, you know, we are not sure that whether this rally will be sustainable. The downside at 23,500 is the litmus test level that we have. These are my notes on the morning video. So again, see, 24330 is important, which I mentioned, and that's where the Nifty right now stands. So that's it. So let's see how Nifty go. Today has been a good day for the bulls. In my video, my in my post on X, I mentioned about this level that we are seeing a kind of up move right now. If I look at the derivatives data here, I think we have seen massive put writing happening, especially on the level of 24,000 and then 24,200 as well. On the call, we see that 24,500 is where the level, where the basic resistance still lies. If this gets broken, then I think 24,800 and 25,000 is a level to watch out for. Let's see whether we have FI data came until now or not. Well, the data is there. The future options data says FI is that we are on 6th of May. We are on the on we are bullish on the calls. We have accumulated the calls and we also wrote down the puts. So on the on the future side also we have a positive upside on the futures as well. So 353 contracts have been added. Is a good sign. So all in all, we are right now in a pretty good frame of mind from the perspective of bulls. Hope this party finally happens. We have been waiting for this party to happen. Not only it happened in the past that we had some hope on the ceasefire, but it did not materialize. Hopefully this time things look different, and they should, for the sake of global economy, they should look different, and we finally have a ceasefire. This optimistic note, I just want to say thank you very much, good night, and hopefully we have a good trading tomorrow.